Halftime. First half highlights. We are halfway through the book. Thank you for making it this far. Before we continue, I wanted to take a quick break, like halftime in an actual game, and briefly highlight a few key takeaways from the first half. We'll have a section similar to this after the second half of the book as well. So Chapter 1 was about removing limitations. Your age, race, gender, demographic background, or socioeconomic status have nothing to do with what you're able to accomplish. Only you do. Do not rule yourself out of attaining greatness without even attempting to tap into the unbounded potential that exists within you. Nothing outside of yourself has the power to dictate your outcomes in life. Don't downgrade your dreams to fit someone else's reality. Chapter 2 was about taking responsibility for your own outcomes. Only when you accept responsibility for your outcomes will you be able to change them. You are where you are in life solely because of the decisions you made and the actions you carried out. Making excuses and assigning blame are means of avoiding responsibility. Take ownership of your own stuff. Chapter 3 was all about putting in the work and preparing adequately. In order to be successful at anything in life, you must prepare adequately. How you do the small stuff will be how you do the big stuff. No task is too minor. The degree to which you prepare is always seen in your results. It's better to be prepared for an opportunity and not have one than to have an opportunity and not be prepared. The next chapter was use your unique gifts on your unique path. You have talents that are unique to you. It's not enough to simply be aware of your talents, but you must cultivate them into skills. Comparison is the thief of joy. Don't compare your life to the path of others. Protect your path and vision by any means necessary. Your life and what you do is not about anyone else. It's about making the most of your time on earth and doing what God called you to do. The next chapter was seeing your shot going in before you shoot it. Have confidence in yourself that you're able to attain whatever it is you put your mind to. Form a clear mental picture of success before attaining it. As you think, so you shall be. Act as if you're already where you want to be in life. Pump fake it until you make it. Have faith that a higher power is guiding you and moving you in the direction of living your best life. And then the next chapter was shoot your shot and always follow through. You miss all the shots you don't take. It's better to at least try than to not do anything at all. Keep shooting your shot until your shot goes in. Follow through on all of your initial efforts. By doing so, you'll eventually accomplish your feat. You are what you repeatedly do. Consistency is key if you want to realize the life you've envisioned for yourself.